Ever wondered how to make money on YouTube without filming or editing original content? There is a lesser-known method that lets you legally use existing footage, repurpose it, and turn it into a successful YouTube channel without ever showing your face or recording your voice. Sounds too good to be true. Let's break it down step by step. Hey there, and welcome to Cash Cow Automation. In this video, I will reveal a proven strategy that is being used by countless YouTube automation channels. This is not just theory, it is the exact process I use to run multiple faceless YouTube channels. This method works right now, and if you are serious about making money on YouTube without creating original videos, stick around until the end. The game plan. Before diving in, take a moment to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and drop a comment below. You might just win a free monetized YouTube channel. Now let's get into the strategy. This approach revolves around creating compilation videos. Now I know what you are thinking. Aren't compilation channels outdated? That is where most people go wrong. If done the right way, compilation channels can still thrive in 2024. The key is to find high-quality trending clips from various sources, edit them creatively, and optimize the metadata. But do not just download and upload. We will be adding a voiceover and slight modifications to make it unique. Stay tuned, because I will walk you through each step. Step 1. Choosing a niche. The first step is selecting a niche. This is the foundation of your channel. For this guide, I will pick a trending example, but you should choose a niche where content is easily accessible on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest. Not sure what a niche is? It is simply the main topic of your channel. If you want to automate your content, I recommend cash cow niches, which do not require you to show your face or voice. Want some ideas? I have listed some of the hottest cash cow niches in the description. Check them out. Step 2. Creating and optimizing your channel. Once you have picked a niche, it is time to create your YouTube channel and set it up for success. To stand out, you need proper branding and optimization. This includes your channel name, logo, banner description, and keyword-rich tags. If this sounds overwhelming, do not worry. I have covered the full step-by-step channel optimization process in a previous video. Make sure to check that out for a complete breakdown. Step 3. Designing channel graphics. A professional-looking channel attracts more viewers and builds credibility. To create stunning channel art and logos, use Canva. It is free and super easy to use. Just head to Canva, type YouTube channel, banner, or YouTube logo in the search bar, and pick a template. Customize it with your branding and you are good to go. Step 4. Finding the right keywords. Now, let's move on to keyword research. This is a game changer for getting views. Let's say you choose the niche, strange things caught on camera. To find high-ranking keywords, go to YouTube's search bar, type in your main keyword, and hit the space bar. YouTube will suggest the most popular search terms. These are your golden keywords. The trick is to find a high-search, low-competition keyword and consistently use it in your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Once you have your main keyword, it is time to collect content. Go to Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. Search for hashtags like strange things and download engaging video clips. Now, let's put everything together. Step 5. Editing and adding. Voiceover. Here is where the magic happens. Once you have your clips, you will need to add voice-over narration, but do not worry, you will not need a professional script. Instead, briefly describe each clip in a natural way. If your video has 10 clips, you only need 10 short voiceover lines. No need to hire a narrator or write a long script. For recording use, free software like Audacity. For video editing, you do not need anything complicated. I recommend using HitFilm Express, free Film Origo, Camtasia, online editors like Clipchamp. Once your video is edited, you are ready for the final step. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing your video. Now, it is time to upload your content, but do not just randomly post it. Proper metadata is key. Stick to your main keyword across multiple videos to help YouTube understand your content niche. If your keyword is strange things caught on camera, use variations of it in your titles and descriptions. Also, make sure your channel description aligns with your content. For example, if your niche is food, do not have a generic description about tech. For thumbnails, Canva is your best friend. Just search for YouTube, thumbnail, pick a pre-made template, and customize it. Final thoughts. And that is how you can make money on YouTube without creating original videos. By following these steps, you can build a profitable, automated YouTube channel without ever picking up a camera. If you found this guide helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next one.